trying to hightail it. There's a decent shoulder here, so not too bad. So we're trying to get on our gravel loop today. It's about 28 miles. Van's killing it. She's a soldier. So this is called Burro Canyon Road. We're gonna go check it out. Got a little frosty after the hill climb. Ivan, how you feeling?
I'm feeling pretty good.
Pretty good?
The legs were a little confused when we had to go back to the car.
Yeah.
Go up and down, but
Well,
making us
it
tough.
helped the legs warm up, didn't it?
Help the whole body warm up.
Yeah, that's true.
Looks like we have an oil rig up there.
Oh yeah, the oil rig there. So the hills here, rolling, but saddle, 8% just out of nowhere. You got a surge up to 400 watts. Oh, I got bit. Long downhill coming up. We're getting the layers out. Ivana, you getting your layers?
I think so. Yeah.
You're gonna be cold.
I'm warm right now, but I think the sweat will cool off quick.
Yeah, for sure. Villa Garcia, 1920. Long downhill coming up. I think 8 miles of sweet downhill. So we're gonna layer up and descend like.
Is it downhill mostly back to the car?
I think so.
Okay.
From according to Garmin, so we definitely gotta be ready for that. See, she got the vest on. That's when you know it's go time. Yeah. Ciao. 30 miles an hour. Woo-wee. You know, we were doing, my man, you're going up minus 1%, and then you get a slip like 8%, and you're rolling at 20. We were like, no. We were punching, surging up to 800 at the top of that mountain climb, and then going down. It was fantastic. But we're almost back to the car. 24 miles. And then we'll put our legs out. You're probably wondering why I'm taking the long way around. There's glass all over there. Ivan got it punctured early this morning. Gotta dry the shoes, you know, get this sweet smell out of there. So we made it. Last, as you saw, the last 7.7 miles to be precise, were all downhill. The first like 2 miles were legit downhill. And then you had like a false flat, but there was a headwind, but you're still able to crank it. We were cranking it in 48s at, you know, between 25 and 26 miles an hour. But you know, you'd be going just cruising, wind is in your face, and then boom, and then you hit like 1%, you know, I mean 8%. You had to stick it, and then crest over, get back up there. You know, those surges were like, you know, maybe 500 watts to get over the top there. I mean, you could probably go faster if you wanted to, but you know, your boy ain't that fast. Anyway, we found this little book, this little guy here. This little book, Trinidad, pretty cool, but feel free to pause. I'll put the link in the description of the Strava route that we did, and then you can just download the GPX file. But if you went down here, this is the main loop, but we didn't do that because it's supposed to rain today, and we didn't want to get caught out there in the mountains. So we stayed down here, and we did some road section. We went up here. There's Corbura Canyon. Went up this way, and then finished with this 7-mile paved downhill. You know, 1%. You can really cruise if you want to, but yeah, hell of a day. So we're gonna pull out the grill, make some lunch while the skies are still clear, and then we'll do it again tomorrow. Ciao. Flames going. All right, what we got? Okay.
Eggplant, mushroom squash, making some Beyond Burgers with cheese.
Bon appetit. Oh yeah.